I am going to squeeze. Each time you're just using just a little. Just little amounts go a long way. Just really appreciate it. Seeing I have this one, my client's so happy. I don't know how about the me, but the client's so much happier. So oh my god. And then you know what? Even they're like, Nancy, do you remember to put the pre-season glue on? Did you put it on? And then they after that they check. It's okay. Is this a little bit scratchy? Can you feel a little bit more? I said sure. They are the one because they are weighing their nails, and they know what is to keep it really nice and without catching anything. So great. I feel them. Everything is great, but I am going to using a twin tail brush and then give using the line brush, the detail brush, and then give it a little quick swipe before I'm keying, because in that way it would not leave like a lumpy, bumpy looks for the nails. I mean, for the around the crystal, it doesn't look attractive at all. You can't see it closer. If I move closer, you can tell really much so. Ta-da, it looks great. Here you go. Here for 60 seconds, everyone. Here you go, 3 nails. And where my other nails? Where my Diamond Pixie? Oh my god, poor Diamond Pixie is laying over here. Doing this nails is more challenge than doing the real client's nails. Where did I get this thing? Sorry. Alright, so in the meantime, I am gonna close this beautiful pre-season glue nails gel on so then it won't spill my fingernails. So that way you can keep it nice and safe. What's green one, Sarah? Thank you so much. The green one, this one, Sarah. All right, ladies. Put that on a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.